Hello, children. Let us continue with the chapter Fun with Give and Take. Today we will take up a few more story sums. So let us begin. Nabila's mother sent her to the market to buy some things. She gave her rupees 245. Nabila bought 1 kg ghee for rupees 127. The shopkeeper gave her back rupees 98. Now children, we need to find out whether the shopkeeper gave her the right amount. How can we find that out? So first we need to find out how much money she should have actually got. We will find that out by subtracting 127, which is the cost of the ghee, from 245, which is the amount of money she had. Now let's find out. So we will subtract 127 from 245. We will begin at the ones place. We have 5 ones here. We will not be able to subtract 7 ones. So we will borrow 1 tens from the tens place. Now we will have 15 ones. We can easily subtract 7 ones and we will get remaining 8 ones. So we will write 8 in the ones place. Now look at the tens place. We now have just 3 tens and we need to subtract 2 tens. So we will be left with 1 tens. Now look at the hundreds place. We have 2 hundreds. We need to subtract or take away 100 and we will be left with just 1 in the hundreds place. So actually Nabila should have got 118 rupees. But the shopkeeper gave her only 98. So how much money more should the shopkeeper have given her? We will subtract 98 from 118, which will be 20. She should have got 20 rupees more. So children, whenever you also visit a shop, please calculate nicely and find out how much money you should give or how much money the shopkeeper should return you back. Let's do another question. Arvind has read 69 pages of a storybook. Gauri has read 95 pages of that storybook. Who has read more pages and how many more? Now children, as told to you earlier, whenever you will come across words like how many more or how many less, we will perform the operation minus or subtraction in those questions. So here we will be subtracting 69 from 95. So let's begin at the ones place. We have just 5 ones and we need to subtract 9 ones. So we will borrow 1 from the tens place. We will now have 15 ones. We can easily subtract 9 and we will get 6 ones. Now looking at the tens place, we only have 8 tens now and we will subtract 6 tens. So we will get 2 tens left. So Gauri has read 26 more pages than Arvind. Let's look at another question. Reena noted that the electricity meter reading of her house. Last month's reading was 118 units. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? Now children, how can that be found out? We will need to subtract the last month's reading from this month's reading, that is the new reading. When we will subtract it, we will come to know how much electricity was used in this month. So This month's reading from the meter is 193 units and last month's reading was 118 units. So we will perform the operation minus and we will start at the ones place. So we have 3 ones and we need to subtract 8 ones. We will borrow 1 from the tens place. Now we have 13 ones and we will subtract 8 ones. So we will get 5 ones. Now moving to the tens place, we have 8 tens and we need to subtract 1 10. So we will be getting 7 tens. Now look at the hundreds place. We have 100. We need to subtract 100 from it. So we will be left with no hundred. So we will be writing a 0 there. So finally we will arrive to the conclusion that Reena used 75 units of electricity in that month. Let us look at one more question. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trousers for rupees 165. How much money did she spend all together? Now children, this is a very easy question. Now here the key word in this question is all together. So whenever we come across the words like all together, sum, total, we perform the operation addition. So let us find out. Khushbu bought the shirt for rupees 125 and she bought trousers for rupees 165. How much did she spend altogether? We will be performing the operation addition. Now we'll begin at the ones place. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we will write 0 and carry 1 to the tens place. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Going to the hundreds place, 1 plus 1 is 2. So she spent rupees 290 altogether. Now I hope that the concept of finding out which operation you will be using in which problem is clear to you all, and you have clearly learned the concept of borrowing and carrying numbers.